Here I've got POPTEL P8 and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open apps and notifications, and then scroll down a bit, open advanced, and at the bottom of the list you will notice special app access. Simply open it and then locate and click on install unknown apps. And here you can allow unknown sources. Simply, for example, you can allow Chrome, click on it and tap on allow from the source. Then let's do it for Google Drive, Gmail, and you can obviously do it for any application you want to install some application from. So that would be all. This is how you can allow unknown sources in your device, in your POPTEL P8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.